First question is, which electrolyte causes atrial depolarization? Options are sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate. Answer is option A, sodium. Third question is, silent MI is commonly seen in. Options are CKD, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, COPD. Answer is option C, diabetes mellitus. Posterior surface of heart is formed by. Options are right atrium, left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. Answer is option B, left atrium. What is the normal amount of pericardial fluid? Options are 5 to 10 ml, 20 to 50 ml, 50 to 100 ml, 100 ml to 200 ml. Answer is option B, 20 to 50 ml. Specialized cardiac muscles are present in dash layer of the heart. Options are epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, pericardium. Answer is option B, myocardium. Baroreceptase controls blood pressure, atrial oxygen tension, SpO2, stroke volume. Answer is option A, blood pressure. U wave is seen in which of the following condition? Options are hypotension, hypokalemia, hyperkalemia, hypertension. Answer is option B, hypokalemia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.